Hey guys, and welcome back. So if you notice behind me, it's not my Corvette, but it is a Corvette. That's right, a 2016 C7 Z06. This thing is amazing. And driving around the neighborhood, what we noticed is these tires pick up everything. So today we're gonna try to help fix and make sure that we don't mess up the paint anymore before we do a PPF. So today we're gonna add ACS Composite Rock Guards, and that should take care of some of our problem. The other problem is, well, the owner has a heavy foot. All right, let's start with an unboxing of exactly what we get from ACS. The first thing that we are greeted with, instructions. I'm pretty sure we don't need this. They have it in 2 layers, and I'm taking it that these are the front ones. Let's go ahead and take a look at one of these. Yep, those are your front ones. Nothing too fancy. It looks like 1 bolt. Maybe these are the rear ones. I'm not sure yet, but we're gonna figure that out. But those look good. Put those on. And then in here are the others, which look exactly the same except a little bit wider. So looking good. I will put all of the part numbers and a link to where you can get these in the description in case you're interested in doing this as well. But seeing that we're doing this, I might as well show you why we're doing this. Let's take a look at the Corvette itself. All right, so you can see that this is a beautiful car, and it was so well designed. In fact, so well designed that you can see that this tire sticks out probably about 2 inches there. So these will actually come out here and cut that off so that some of those rocks will not be coming down this way and then over here where you can see it just kind of looks dirty, but it's actually where it starts to chip. Now PPF, and there are other solutions for this that we'll go into at a later time so that we can show you exactly how you can take care of this problem. But for now, this will at least keep most of the rocks, gravel, and dirt off of the car and on the road. So in the back here, you can see that it doesn't have any lip that comes out, and this will all get replaced. And then once that comes out, it'll just stick out about 1 inch, I think. I figure seeing that we've got her on the lift, might as well take a look underneath this beauty. And it is amazing. We were just talking how putting this up on the lift, you actually get to see a lot more of the body lines this way. They did such a great job with these cars. Now, for everyone watching, of course, we all know that this is the last of the front engine Corvettes. We now have everyone clamoring after the mid-engine, and I understand because they are an amazing vehicle, but for me, this is still where it's at. 650 horsepower in there, 650 torque. This is a supercar. And it is amazingly clean. Of course, this car only has about 5,000 miles on it. But it is so cool to see the underneath of it. And there is just so much of the trays, or so many of the trays, I guess. But one of the cool features that we did notice is even from the factory, it comes with where they kind of made it into the X pipe, which is nice. All right, let's get these guards off and start working on the car. So we can see on the front, 7mm takes off the 1 bolt, and then we're going to use a trim removal pad, or fuck. Okay, let me just go into these. So as you can see, just a 7mm on the bottom there, and then we will use one of these to remove it because it's got the 4 or 5, it looks like 5 different clips that kind of go all along the side. Makes for a super easy removal though. Here you go, Trey. Yeah. Trey, I must say, you did that very well. First try, I mean, that was...
Almost like I knew what I was
I know, it really did look like you were just ready to go. That one's in. Let me see.
There it is.
Is it? Oh yeah.
Man, look at the fit on that, dude. That's factory.
Yeah, no, that looks great. And you can see all we've done is basically fill up that gap that the tire sticks out so it won't be slinging everything on it. I'm surprised this is not an option from GM. Just in case you were wondering, a side-by-side, obviously this is the ACS one. I do like that it comes in the same colors, all the body clad from GM, and you get rid of this older looking plastic piece. So that's a nice, you know, bonus when you're making it look a little nicer as well. But you can see just how much. Now, I was told that these are the extra large and they do have different sizes. So these are going to be the larger ones to make sure that we get as much dirt from going on our car as possible. All right, guys, so taking this off is just like the fronts. You use your 7mm on the bottom. The only thing you do have to remember is right here is one of those little alligator clips. You have to remove it from the old one, put it on the new one. Otherwise, you will have nothing to screw that bolt back into.
Rookies.
And that tab goes on the inside when we're doing the rears. Just like that. Keep in mind, guys, that these are 7mm bolts, and when you are tightening them, you just have to get them tight, not ugga ugga or ugga ugga ugga. Hey guys, so this is the before, and you can see that it looks good, but it's missing something. We've got that wide tire. Now with the rears and the fronts installed, it actually completes that look very well, and I think if you're doing the fronts, you need to do the rears.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
I wanna be the greatest. Everybody on the fake shit. I look around and feel like everybody is the fakest. I make this every day and I'm impatient, hoping one day I blow up from the basement. Statement, the top is so vacant. I don't hear shit that I think is amazing. Waiting for my day when I'm playing sold out shows for 1,000 faces. Hey, give me that crown, get in my way and to be put down. It ain't your place, all this my town. If I want that shit, then I'll get it right now. I'm losing it, the noose it fits. I'm losing shit, a stupid myth. You choose to live or choose to dip. You choose to fight or lose your grip and lose a gift.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign.
Well, I have to tell you, that has been one of the easiest installs. I can't thank ACS enough. Their products are on the mark. I will tell you, I love the look of it. I was a little worried. I mean, obviously, I'm thinking a mud flap when I'm putting these on there, and then they get on there and they look like they are factory pieces. Now, of course, there are some other upgrades that we can do. We've got the side sill, we've got the front splitter. There's so much more that we can add to this car, and we probably will. So make sure you like, subscribe, stay tuned. There's a lot more content coming.